glow queen. There you go, honey.
Ride with Menage, mashallah. Check in with me, pin to your job. Queen is the name, Raffaello did the chain. This is Monse, Patty plain Jane. Ride with
It is so early. Went to bed 2 o'clock in the morning. You finna do it. It's a very light coverage foundation, so if you're into a medium full coverage, this is not the foundation for you. And this foundation is $60, girl. That's money. But you know, if you're bougie and you want to do that, you can do that. But yeah. So then I like to, if I really want to do a full coverage look, use this foundation, and this is the matte Poreless Fit Me in the color Classic Tan, and this is a matte foundation. I have dry skin, so I don't really use too much, but this foundation is more full coverage, so I like to put a little bit of that on. As far as applying foundation on my forehead, I don't do that, because especially when I wear frontals, the glue is gonna look all crusty, and I just don't apply foundation to my forehead. I don't see no reason to. Alright guys, I'm gonna have a skincare routine for y'all soon. I just need to restock up on my skincare products because I've been slacking. But yeah, so before I even do my eyebrows, outline my eyebrows or anything, I use my concealer. Now this is the Born This Way concealer. Like so. Now this concealer, this concealer is not full coverage, but I do like the feeling. It is very smooth on your skin. I do like the feel of it. I do like the application of it, but it's not full coverage. So now I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild concealer over this, and this is in the color medium deep tan. You know how females make this face like, yo, why do we make those faces? Why do you make those faces? Like, I don't know, it's just regular. I just be like, oh, America. My concealer to set. Some people don't like it to set because they say it will, crease and whatever. But, honey, I like to let my concealer set. I like for it to melt in my skin so I can get that coverage. Also, guys, I will be doing my eyebrows on camera. You know, a lot of people don't do that, but I'm gonna do it. This is my regular eyebrows. You know, I got a little something, whatever. You do your eyebrows. I remember when I first started doing my eyebrows, I used to do it from far away. So the mirror would be all the way over there, and I'm doing my eyebrows like this. So when I look close up, I'm like, oh, hell no. What the hell is that? Girl, do your eyebrows up close. I know that might sound foolish, but I used to do it. Like, I was just too lazy to hold a mirror. But yeah, I do my eyebrows very up close. So I'm just show y'all. I like to outline the bottom first. Important thing is to get that outline and follow your natural brow. You know, the regular schmegler, like light-handed. I'm heavy-handed, so I just be like, and my eyebrows be looking like somebody drew it with some Sharpie marker. No. And then you don't want to bring the line all the way from here. You want to bring it a little bit back so it won't look too drawn on. I like to do this with my pencil to bring it like the fade, to just fade it in a little bit. So before I even spoolie anything, I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer. And I like to put some on my hand because this concealer gives out too much product. And I just like to underline, outline, outline my brow. And this is how you make corrections to your eyebrows with concealer. Honey, concealer is a big part of doing your eyebrows. You can do your eyebrows so horrible, but if you put concealer, oh my god, you will finesse it. This concealer is very close to my skin color. I don't use like a very bright concealer like everybody say, oh, go 3-5 shades lighter to conceal your eyebrows. No, honey. So you see how that kind of changed the shape a little bit? So I just fix it. This is gonna take forever. This is the most long. My freaking God. You know, when you just make a mistake and it's just gonna, that's fine. That's fine. Blend the concealer out. And I like to blend, yeah, I just like to blend it out. And I also blend the concealer I put for my brows also. I don't contour for everyday basis because, honey, that's a lot of work. Yeah, I know I like natural makeup, but this is, okay, so I'm gonna just, you know, squeeze your cheeks or whatever. I still do this sometimes because my face be getting fatter every day. All the time, the contour is always going to be a little bit messy. So I like to go in with my powder. And what you do, this is the secret. Put your powder and then you go under it to make it a nice sharp contour line. So if you apply your contour too low, you apply it too high, this will be the best solution. Hell no, fix your face. You go into my my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette, and I'm gonna be using To Majestic for that contour. And apply some on my brow bone, of course, under my brows, and a little bit on my nose. I'm not too crazy about, you know, the nose highlight. So now we are highlighted. And also, I like to apply some to my chin just for fun. I don't know. Listen, if I put highlights on my cheeks, I want it to be on my nose, my eyes, my brow bone. It all gotta come together, honey. Spray, guys, and watch the magic. So, here we go. Oh, this stuff is cold. I feel like I'm at a water park. Then I'll take my beauty blender and blend everything in. It's Chanel mascara. I'm just gonna be making my lashes look like falsies. It don't do magic. Like, this mascara costs 30 bucks. It don't do magic. You know, it's a regular degular schmegler mascara. I'm gonna do this one off camera. We glowing, we glowing, we glowing. Natural baddie. Let me turn to the side. Glow queen. There you go, honey. Comment down some makeup styles y'all want me to do. Like, y'all want me to do a glam beat makeup tutorial. Still look a little bit tired, but I'm finna wake up soon. So thank you, doll baby, so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.